Good morning and Merry Christmas. It is the 25th of December 2024. I am about to go fishing with Matt, Hayden and Dimitri off of Zimbali again. It is like 3:35 a.m. right now. I'm waiting in the garage over here with my kayak. Matt is picking me up. Yeah, I will see you out on the water because I don't have the right setup to film the launch just yet. Setting up some fillet. It's going on the YouTube. We catch some snook this morning. Yeah. Shame, I feel bad. Is he still on the beach? Right, change of plans. No snook around, it seems like. So we're gonna get some bait and then go for some dories out deep. I've set up my finder now. Dimitri and I are out here. Matthew, unfortunately, I don't think he made it out because of his torn ACL. He's like been pushing himself too hard. Yeah, let's go get some bait. Okay, we're in 30 meters of water now. Just trying to get some bait. Haven't seen any marks. Managed to get a little pinky just now. Yeah, just seeing what there is. Did you get a pinky? You pinning him? There we go. Something. This feels like a pinky. Big pinky.